Thank you for purchasing the award-winning Tripp Trapp chair, the chair that grows with the child. This brief presentation includes safety reminders that will help you and your child enjoy the Tripp Trapp chair from infancy to adulthood. Introducing the new Tripp Trapp newborn set. Your child can now enjoy the benefits of the Tripp Trapp chair from birth to adulthood. Visit Stokke.com for more information on the Tripp Trapp newborn set. The Tripp Trapp chair is much more than a conventional high chair. It's an innovative, adaptable concept that delivers comfort, safety, and correct ergonomic seating to your child. The Tripp Trapp chair allows your child to be seated at your table, enabling the all-important bonding and social development that occurs at mealtimes. The seat and footrest are adjustable for both depth and height to grow with the child. Because the footrest acts as a floor, it allows the child to balance and comfortably shift their weight. At every development stage, the three vital growth points, the back, the upper leg, and the lower leg will all be fully supported. Adjust to a seat height that allows a comfortable reach of normal table height, about 72 to 76 centimeters or 28.35 to 29.9 inches, with a 90-degree elbow angle. Please read the user guide before assembling and using the chair. For best circulation and comfort, adjust to a seat depth that permits 2 to 3 fingers of space between the back of the knee and the front of the seat. Set the footrest so the knee has a 90-degree angle. The double-curved seat back enables the child to sit in a natural, fully supported position without placing stress on the developing spine. The Tripp Trapp newborn set can be used from birth up to around 6 months, when the child is normally ready to start sitting. When the child can sit upright on the floor unaided, start using the Tripp Trapp chair with the baby set for a limited time initially and gradually increasing with time. The range of the Tripp Trapp chair accessories includes a Tripp Trapp newborn set, a baby set, a 4-point safety harness, extended glider for extra safety and cushion for additional comfort. The chair is made from solid beechwood and easy to clean. The baby set is recommended for children between 6 and 36 months. It is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The included extended gliders attach easily to the base of the high chair. These should be used when the Tripp Trapp newborn set or the baby set is in place. When using the Tripp Trapp chair, always place it on a level, stable surface that doesn't prevent the chair from sliding backwards. Being seated at the table can make it possible for a child in any chair to push their legs against the frame or top of the table. You should always stay within arm's reach of your child and never leave them unattended. Your Tripp Trapp chair is equipped with a rounded set of plastic gliders underneath the legs to facilitate sliding rather than tipping. And it's important to remember that the Tripp Trapp chair must be placed on a flat, even and stable surface. Carpets, rugs or uneven floors do not represent a suitable surface for safe use at the table, as these surfaces could prevent the chair from sliding backwards. The Tripp Trapp chair is not designed for use as a step stool or for use with a booster seat. The chair should never be used with any accessories not manufactured by Stokke, as they could affect the safety and stability of the chair. Usually, at around 18 to 24 months, children learn to walk. In the same way that parents teach their child to walk up and down stairs, they can also teach their child to safely climb on and off the Tripp Trapp chair. However, never leave your child unattended. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the world's most innovative high chair, the Tripp Trapp chair from Stokke, the chair that grows with the child. We wish you and your family many years of safe and happy use.